Last video, I created this character design. I like this the calm ape character design. But now I want to create something new. Let's go. I just started the scripting for my video content creation, concept of design and artwork idea. These ideas are not worked. I want to something new. Just move on. My day is started, so I go on my workspace. I'm just watching random YouTube videos. And I'm watching video songs and movie theme. I'm still thinking about my new artwork idea. At the evening, the birds' sounds are awesome. I love this nature. I got the idea. Let's go on my workspace. The concept is theme of love. The lovable couple sitting on the park bench. Both of the characters sharing the love and music with live the moment. The concept sketchwork is done. Now I got the reference image. Let's start the 3D modeling and sculpting the character design. Now I completed the 3D modeling. It's look pretty and good. I love this artwork. Finally, I 3D printed this model. Then I started the cleanup and sanding the model. The sanding process is done. Now it's ready for painting process. White spray paint too, I added the coating on this surface. Spray painting is done. Let's go on painting walk. I started the painting process. This type of painting artwork is taking the long hours for completing this work. I really like the traditional painting artwork. Finally, I completed this love concept artwork design. I really love this output of the artwork design. Why I making this concept of the design? Because in the world, all the lovable couples spreading the love and live like these beautiful moments.